Say something.
Yeah, I'm already filming.
Okay.
Isabel is going to go spinning op de sneeuw.
Ja, en die wens die gaan we dus kaart erop draaien en dan kan ik super snel springen.
Okay, you do it. And then you have to push me, but don't spin, please.
No, I spin it, yeah.
No, because I have my camera, and then I'll fall. Okay? Okay, just don't spin me, because otherwise my camera will be, I don't know where.
Now push.
Yeah, push me.
Ready?
Ja.